all, it's Miguel Bastos. I've been playing the drums for around 12 years. I play with Collision for 5 years. The best sticks in the game, literally very durable. Always on the go with me, never breaks, good grip, everything you need, literally Collision does it best. Okay, today we're going to be playing Washed by Elevation Rhythm. Okay, it's a worship song. I'm a worship drummer myself. I've been playing worship all my life. I'm a worship drummer. So I hope you lot enjoy it. And yeah, man.